If you guys are new here, I'm Joey Max, and these are a couple of my builds. I have my Drift S13 you can't really see here, and I have my fiance's S15 over here that I recently did just pick up, so I have no business getting another car. This car kind of just fell into my lap, and it was a deal, and I had to jump on it. I saw the car, and basically we kind of just went from there. I asked the dealership if they want a coin flip. We coin flipped for $5,000, and let's insert clip here of how that went.
Now, the customer knows it's 40 grand, and he's proposed a coin flip for $5,000. This was brought to my attention, and I agreed. This is Joey. He's our coin flipper. He's our customer. He's ready to flip.
All right, so are you gonna call it?
You call it heads or tails. Right. I got the coin. It's a PBSO coin. Shout out to PBSO. We love you guys. It's heads.
PBSO size.
Tails.
Okay. Okay. We letting it hit the ground, or you catching it?
I'm gonna let it hit the ground. Okay. Okay. You ready?
All in the air.
All in the air.
All right.
1,
yep.
2, 3.
Heads. Bam.
It is heads.
Heads hit, boys. You already know what it is.
Joey, congratulations, brother.
$5
It's
grand.
$5 grand off. $5 grand.
Shop out Packer Ford. They're the real deal. With that being said, now you guys know what car I got. Let's do a walk around of it and go take it for a drive. As you guys can see, this is my 2016 Shelby GT350. It has been a dream car of mine for a long time, and I acquired it kind of weird. My buddy traded it in for a GT500. He let me know what dealership the car was at, and they had it up for a very reasonable price. I called them, went down there, and we came to an agreement on a coin flip. We coin flipped the car for either $35,000 if I won, or $40,000 if they won, and as you guys saw, I did end up taking it home. Round of applause for your boy. And yeah, this has been a dream car of mine for a very long time. I owned a 2019 5.0 6-speed about 2 years ago, but we started drifting and got sidetracked, so I needed a truck to tow everything. And if you had a 5.0 Mustang, everyone knows that you want a Shelby. It's like it's the next level up. So this car does have a 5.2 Voodoo with a flat plane crank. It revs to 8,200 RPM. That was always a big thing for me because I like revving the cars out and beating the shit out of them, unfortunately, for the car. It has a Tremec transmission. It feels so much better than the MT82 does. From my point of view, you might feel differently because you own a 5.0 Mustang with an MT82 and not a 5.2 with a Tremec. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm humbled. All right, so I'm gonna walk you guys around the car. It is I think it's called a Deep Impact Blue. White has always been my favorite, but when you get a good deal, you don't complain. This color hits. It looks black at night, and it's blue during the day, as you can see with the sun on it. So a lot of things that are different than, I guess you could say, a regular GT. The mufflers are different, the rear diffuser is different. You have two-piece rotors all around, big brakes in the front and the rear. We have different front fenders than compared to a regular one, as well as the front bumper. And I normally don't like stripes, but on a Shelby, stripes are a must. On the inside, we have an Alcantara steering wheel with the Cobra logo in the middle, manual transmission, a few little carbon fiber accents, heated and cooled seats. I like the Recaros, but I'm a little bigger, so these honestly work better. As you can see, the logo on the dash. But this car is just, it's a driver's car. There's no auto rev match. There's none of that bullshit. And it's a very raw driving experience. This isn't a car you just get in and you can drive it. You have to know what you're doing, and you have to be able to feel the car because this car likes to get rowdy. We're actually going to be taking you guys, and let's go do a few pulls and get some in-car footage for you. All right, boys, we got Jake with us over in the passenger seat. He's hiding from y'all, but
what's up, boys?
Got the mic on the seatbelt. Let's go take this thing for a rip. Put it in sport mode. You can hear the valve open up. Sorry, guys. Got shoes on. Real drivers don't drive with shoes. I don't wear shoes normally when I drive, but let's do a little first gear action. This car just, you feel really planted to the road. It doesn't feel, I guess cheap is the best way to put it, at least from my experience. Everyone experiences different things, but I started in a 2003 Mustang, so I'm in a gem. Oh, that lady was yelling. You know, turn traction control off, get a little first gear. Oh yeah, boys. This car, it does like to kick out, but I'm not gonna lie, that's where when you drift a car, you kind of get the feeling of, you know, inputs with your steering wheel, and it makes things a lot easier. I am no pro though, as Jordan would like to say, but we're pretty decent at this driving thing. So we'll go just casual drive, like downshift. You have to be able to downshift the car. There's no auto rev match. This car was built to be driven. Like it's not something you get in and it's like, oh, here you go. We'll help you with this, help you with that. You better figure out what you're doing. Only thing they do have for you is traction control. So I love this car, and you guys would too. I definitely recommend this over a GT Mustang. You know, Jake has one of those, but his is all right. All right, boys, we just turned advanced track off. I was only able to get traction control off for that for just a second. A lot of people are going to hate me for getting this car because it is another car that I have without finishing the Maxima. And I'm sorry, boys, we are working on the Maxima. This thing isn't really getting any modifications anytime soon. And if we do modify it, getting a supercharger. Do a little first to third if we can. You boys ready? Feels good, boys. Ooh, the adrenaline rush. We are in Mexico. If anyone asks, that's where we're at. And this car's bone stock. Sounds pretty good for being a bone stock car. Yeah, you shit, it was not locked.
Too much horse torque in this thing.
There's too much horsepower torque in this fucking car because she's making the camera go all over the place. Turn green, boys. We need to get out of this vicinity. I race quarter mile at a time. I do have a few future plans with this car. I want to be taking it to the drag strip and seeing what it runs. I'm yet to launch a car. The last time I was at the drag strip, I was 17 years old, and I'll insert the clip here. Yeah, that was very unfortunate of me and my Maxima. I had no clue what I was doing, and I think I bogged it at the light or some dumb shit. But we're going to be trying to launch this thing. The one thing I don't like about this car, if I have advanced track all the way off, launch control doesn't work. I might not know what I'm doing, but I looked up a few videos, and everyone says that's how it is. So that's the only downside, I guess you could say. But I guess that just means we have to launch it like a man. Can't rely on these goddamn maps that these cars add for you. Should I launch it? Little flat foot action for you guys. Now we're gonna just cruise home. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. It's a little bit different, showing you guys the car. Comment down below what you want to see me do with this car. I could do ride-alongs with my friends and everything like that, letting them get a feel for it. And yeah, like, comment, don't forget to like, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and check out my Instagram, joeymax_, and you could see a lot more content on there. I'm very active on there, answering any questions you guys have about cars, builds, Maximas, anything like that. So yeah, feel free to message me on there with any questions, and thanks for watching. Peace.